Let's make it this long. That looks about right. Yeah, that's good. Now let's see how accurate that was. Yeah, pretty good. I'll take it. A little deeper is better. Let's go deeper. I want to break in here for a moment and say, if you have any questions about this, I have a whole second channel called Wood by Wright How To. And on that, any video that happens on this one, that one there's a corresponding how to where I talk through all the steps on it. I'll leave a link to that down below, but let's get back to the build. Kumiko board out walnut. That's pretty decent. One shaving the other direction. See how close we are now. That's a lot closer. That's really close, actually. It's a lot closer than I expected. Not too bad. Reference face. Yeah, it's close enough. I'll take it. Not close enough. Just closer. 90, 80, 70, 65. Two. Wow. Any more there? Sorry, there and there. Got it. Over there. Let's see where we're at on this one. Yeah, that's looking good. Gotta figure out what size Kumiko do I want. Which I think I'm gonna go for this one. Right there. Let's try right there. Now, that's what I'm looking for. Clean surface. There's that one. Let's take this one down with the same. There we go. So there you have it, a very simple Kumiko jig. Now what is a Kumiko jig? Well, it's for making Kumiko. Surprise, surprise. I know a little bit of Japanese fun. And this will be a video coming up next week, so stay tuned for that. This is a lot of fun to make hand tools, but with this, it makes it a lot easier. So this is a really simple project to kind of stretch you out and try different things, being able to make grooves, and you can make it out of a scrap piece of firewood. It really doesn't have to be anything special. So have a little bit of fun, try something different, and cut some corners. On that note, I do want to say thank you to everyone who hit like, comment, share, subscribe. Those things really do help out the channel. Thank you for that. Also, you may notice everyone scrolling over here on the side, they are patrons on Patreon. If you'd like to find out more about that, there's a link to Patreon down below. I do want to say thank you to all the patrons. Members who've clicked the little join button, I do have special perks for both members and patrons. People who click that join button, thank you. You are quite literally keeping the lights on in this shop. So thank you for that. If you'd like to find out more, information down below. And on that note, have a wonderful day. Those of you from the 90s will know that we are getting jiggy with it. I want to break in here for a moment. If you have any questions about what all is going on in this, I have a whole second channel called Wood by Wright How To, and in that there's someone walking upstairs again.